In this video, you'll learn how to add collaborators to your Notion workspace. By following these steps, you will be able to invite team members to collaborate on your projects effectively. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features options for logging in or signing up. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, locate your workspace profile. In the upper left corner of the screen, you will see your workspace name. Click on this area and a drop-down menu will appear, displaying your profile options. Select the option that represents your workspace to continue. After that, look for the Invite Members option. This can typically be found within the workspace settings. Click on Invite Members and a new window will open, allowing you to add collaborators. Now, click on the Add Members button in the new window. This action prompts a field to appear where you can enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite. Ensure that you enter each email address correctly and separate them with commas for multiple invitations. Once you have entered the email addresses, click on the highlighted area to choose the role for each collaborator. This drop-down menu allows you to select the level of access each member will have, such as member or guest. Selecting the appropriate role is crucial for managing permissions effectively. Next, click on the drop-down menu to specify the role for your collaborators. A list of available roles will appear. Carefully review the options and select member if that is the desired access level for your collaborators. Keep in mind that certain roles may require a subscription to Notion, so verify your plan if needed. Then click on a blank space within the invite window to ensure no other actions are selected. This helps to finalize your selections before proceeding. Now locate the message area and click on message. This is where you can type in a personalized message for your collaborators, providing context for the invitation. Personalizing your message can enhance communication and clarity. After typing your message, click on send invite to complete the process. This action will send out the invitations to the email addresses you provided. You should see a confirmation notification indicating that the invites have been sent successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.